Hello everyone, welcome back to the course on Construction Management and Entrepreneurship for 5th semester VTU students. Today in this course we will be looking into Total Quality Management, and later on we will be looking into Construction Quality Process. Total Quality Management. Total Quality Management, in short form TQM, is a philosophy that involves everyone in an organization in a continual effort to improve quality and achieve customer satisfaction. There are two key philosophies in TQM: never ending push to improve, that is, continuous improvement, and customer satisfaction, which involves meeting or exceeding the customer expectations. Principles of TQM. There are three basic principles of total quality management: customer satisfaction, continuous improvement, and employee involvement. Implementation of total quality management. There are basically 5 steps in the process of implementing total quality management in any organization. First step is to find out what customer wants. In the second step, we will be designing a product or service that will meet or exceed the customer's expectations. Third step is to design a production process that facilitates doing their job right the first time. The fourth step involves in keeping track of the result and use those to guide improvement in the system. And the fifth point is to extend all the above concepts to suppliers as well as the distributors. Advantages of adopting total quality management system in any organization. TQM helps to focus clearly on the needs of the market. It facilitates to aspire for a top quality performer in every sphere of activity. Total quality management channelizes the procedures necessary to achieve quality performance. TQM helps examine all the processes to remove non-productivity activities and waste. TQM helps an organization to understand the competition and develop an effective combating strategy. Total quality management helps to review the process needed to develop the strategy of never-ending improvement. Reasons for the failure of total quality management. Total quality management approaches must be customized to each company. Managers sometimes become impatient with a short-term focus. There could be too much focus on tools and techniques. Managers use total quality management as a quick fix to solve a variety of problems. Inability to change the culture leads to the failure of TQM model. If the total quality management efforts are misfocused and limited, it leads to failure. Inability to maintain momentum for transformation. Lack of understanding quality in the same spirit and language both by the management as well as the employees. Now we will enter into construction quality management. Steps involved in quality management in a construction project. The first step is the quality at design stage, quality at procurement stage, quality at manufacturing stage, quality at packing and delivery stage, quality at erection stage, and finally quality at operation and maintenance stage. Now we will be looking into quality checks for different materials. For soil, we usually do the quality checks such as specific gravity, sieve analysis, the density of soil, water content, compaction tests, CBR, that is California bearing ratio, and bearing capacity of the soil. For bricks, the quality checks include visual characteristics, efflorescence, dimensional tolerance, water absorption, compressive strength, etc. For cement, we have quality checks such as fineness of cement, specific gravity of cement, setting time, soundness of cement, compressive strength, and chemical composition. For sand, we have specific gravity, sieve analysis, bulking test, and silt test. Quality checks for concrete include slump test, compressive strength test, split tensile strength, flexural test, core cutter test, ultrasound pulse velocity test, etc. For wood, it is generally the moisture content is what we check for its quality. Now we will look into some of the checklists that usually the construction site follows before different item of work being executed. For example, this is one of the checklist for surveying and setting out the work. This is an example for earthwork or backfilling. These are the quality checks that has to be completed. This is an example of a quality checklist for site works, especially for concreting before it has been poured for any structure. This is one more quality checklist for waterproofing. And this is an example of a quality checklist for external and partition wall or masonry structure, random rubble masonry structure. And finally, we have a checklist for plastering or painting work. Finally, quality is not an act, it is an habit. That's it for today's session. Thank you very much.